Hello everyone, today I want to share a surprising discovery about refrigerator doors. Many people wonder what's inside them, so I decided to break one open. As it turns out, there's not much to it, just a layer of metal and insulation foam inside. It's fascinating how simple the construction is, yet it keeps our food fresh and cool. If you enjoyed this little experiment and want to see more interesting content, please support my YouTube channel, Vietnamese channel. Your support means a lot and helps me create more fun and informative videos. Thank you so much.